Welcome to the Salty Lair. Today we got a tactical snack review from Firearms101. Sent me some Romolo, Grandpa Romolo's famous sponge candy. And of course, from my buddy Tardisius, the Recon 1 cold steel, well used and very sharp. Check these out here. So here's what they look like. They're little 2-inch nuggets. Let's cut into one. Oh, they're crunchy. Thought they'd be soft because it says they're sponge, but that's what they look like. Let's see here. So the chocolate is nice milk chocolate. A milk chocolate, sugar milk, cocoa butter, chocolate liquor, vanillian, artificial flavor, soy lecithin. Let's see what it says. Corn syrup, water, gelatin, baking soda. So I'm not quite sure what that stuff is inside, but they're good. Kind of looks like you ever used the great stuff foam that you spray into your walls and then you cut it? That's what it looks like. Reminds me of it melts in your mouth like cotton candy, but it reminds me of some other type of candy. Yeah, it just melts like cotton candy. Really good. These would go pretty good. Some peanuts. Let me go get some peanuts and be right back. Okay, got me some store brand peanuts. Nothing crazy. You know what? Huh? Something funny. Yeah. Something funny. Yeah, these go real good with some peanuts. Alright. Alright. Thank you very much, Firearms101. These are delicious. Very good. Very interesting texture, and I mostly just taste the milk chocolate. The sponge stuff inside just kind of melts, and I really don't taste it besides just the sweetness of it. And the texture really, it just gives it a crunch. So it gives it an interesting flavor. It's not a crunch like Kit Kat, but the chocolate coating just kind of is what I notice more as far as texture goes. But yeah, I'm guessing that the sponginess just gives it structure instead of just having a flat piece of chocolate. Oh. Alright. Salty approved. Definitely deserves a cowbell. Come on.
We'd like to introduce you to a new way of learning at Advanced Academics. Elementary classes are weekday mornings or afternoons and are geared toward your child's instructional levels. These small classes include reading, writing, math, and more, with lots of creative activities, perfect for homeschoolers. Do they already know their ABCs and 1, 2, 3s? Our pre-K and kinder classes move them into advanced content while still having a fun, early learning experience. Our tutors can coach students in any grade. Check out Advanced Academics website at adv-aca.com and enroll today.